Hey everyone, in today's video we are making a super fun and creative DIY pop-up photo album, perfect as a gift or just a cute way to save your favorite memories. Alright, let's get started. First, grab some 11 cross 19 centimeter cardboard paper. We'll call these album sheets. You will need 8 pieces in total. Once you have got your album sheets, fold and cut them using the template as your guide. To make things super easy, we have created downloadable templates for everything. And guess what? They're completely free on our website. Just click the link in the description box below. Next, you will need 8 pieces of 10 cross 18 centimeter cardboard. This will be your pop base. Again, follow the templates, fold and cut these. Moving on to the photo base, cut 8 pieces of 9 cross 21 centimeter cardboard and shape them using the template. Then, cut one piece of 11 cross 19 centimeter cardboard. Take 3 cross 3 centimeter colored paper squares and fold them as we show you in the video. Draw a simple leaf shape, cut it, and when you open it, a cute little flower appears. One petal, glue the edges together and repeat that for 7 pieces. Once you have your 7 flowers, glue them together one by one as shown in the tutorial and stick them to the flower base. This goes right at the end of your album for a beautiful surprise effect. Now that all your components are ready, it's time to assemble. Start by taking your album sheets and sticking the photo bases onto them, just like you see in the video. Then add the pop base on top of that. Once that's done, join all 8 album sheets together. For the main album structure, cut a 12 cross 22 centimeter cardboard piece. This will be your album base. Fold and shape it using the template. Then attach your completed album sheets to it. And now your album is ready. To decorate, I added photos, cute stickers, Spotify song codes, little hearts. You can use whatever makes you smile. So there you have it, your own DIY pop-up photo album. I hope you had fun creating this adorable pop-up photo album with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more DIY ideas and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. See you next time. Bye.